If you want to market on Facebook, but you do not know what to post, this will fix it. I'm going to show you 7 copy-paste ChatGPT workflows that give you post ideas, ready posts, and a weekly plan. You do not need tech skills. You can post this week. Here's the promise. You will create your first full week of Facebook marketing content in under 60 minutes. By the end, you will have a 30-day idea list, 5 ready-to-post posts, DM scripts, and a weekly schedule. We will follow one simple example the whole time, a local mobile car detailing service. That keeps everything concrete and easy. Everything we build goes into your Facebook marketing starter kit, a 30-day idea list, post templates, DM scripts, and a weekly schedule. Workflow 1 is clarity. Before you create content, you need your offer. Copy-paste this prompt. I am a beginner marketing on Facebook. I sell what I sell. My audience is who I help. My goal is engagement or leads. ChatGPT will ask 5 questions, then write a 1-sentence offer with 3 benefits. Under 3 minutes. Workflow 2 removes daily guessing. Ask ChatGPT for a 30-day post idea list with 8 categories. Quick tips: before and after, FAQ, story, behind the scenes, mistakes, customer wins, offers. Each idea stays under 10 words. Workflow 3 gives you 5 ready-to-post posts right away. Simple words. Under 120 words, short lines. Clear call to action like message me or comment info. Then it ends with a question. Workflow 4 turns content into leads. You get 3 direct response posts built to drive messages. Each one says who it is for, the problem, the solution, the offer, and a call to action to message you. Workflow 5 handles the part beginners skip, follow-up. You get 10 short comment replies for price, availability, location, and what is included. You get 5 DM scripts that move someone from interest to booking. Workflow 6 gives you consistency without extra work. Take one post and rewrite it 5 ways by changing the hook. Use 5 angles: a tip, a story, a mistake, an FAQ, an offer. One post becomes 5. Do you see how fast your calendar fills up? Workflow 7 makes it repeatable. Tell ChatGPT you have 2 hours per week for Facebook marketing. It builds a weekly plan, a 10-minute daily engagement routine, and a batch checklist. 4 posts per week, 2 hours total. If you want to keep it simple, start with 3 things. 1. The 30-day idea list. 2. The 5 ready-to-post posts. 3. The DM scripts. That gets you posting this week, and it turns comments into conversations. Next step. Grab the beginner Facebook marketing prompt pack in the description. Copy and paste the 7 prompts. Then post 4 times this week. You do not need tech skills. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to start. The prompts do the heavy lifting. You press post.